pinatay nilang mga ano doon, mga Arabs. Kinaluhod nila. Sila yun eh. Sino? France. Britain. Tapos yung EU ngayon, tapos the gold to condemn it. As again, I repeat it, fuck you. I repeat it, fuck you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Republic of the Philippines, President Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
Para sa pagbabago, sawa na ang bayan ko sa magnanakaw na tao. Madilim na kahapon, ikaw ang mag-aahon. Sa piling mo, di ko mawawala ang korupsyon. Tayo na, Pilipinas, tayo na magbago. Hawak kamay tayo para sa pagkasenso. Ikaw at ako, tayong lahat kay Rodrigo Duterte, para sa tunay na pagbabago. Masdan mo ang paligid, alamak mga krimen, rape, droga at mga nakawan, dapat nang mapigilan. Tayo na, Pilipinas, tayo na magbago. Hawak kamay tayo para sa pagkasenso. Ikaw at ako, tayong lahat kay Rodrigo Duterte, para sa tunay na pagbabago.
Why am I here? I am here because I love my country and I love the people of the Philippines.
Ikaw at ako, tayong lahat kay Rodrigo Duterte.
Ladies and gentlemen, today we are grateful to have the President of the Republic of the Philippines to visit the Philippine National Police, Police Regional Office 12. Ladies and gentlemen, first we'll have the awarding of the deserving Philippine National Police personnel assigned here in PRO 12. Let us all witness the entrance of the awardees. Allow me to read the citation, but before that, may we respectfully request our President to confer the awards, and he will be assisted by Secretary Ismael Mike Sueno and the Regional Director. For meritorious act of heroism displayed as members of the Reconnaissance and Quick Reactionary Force during an operations against Muhammad Jafar Magid at Barangay Daliao, Maasim, Sarangani Province on August 20, 2016, which resulted in the neutralization of 3 members of terrorist group, apprehension of Mustafa Gansing, and the recovery of high-powered firearms, various documents on bomb-making manual. The medalya ng kadakilaan is conferred to Police Senior Inspector Reynante C. Pascua. Police Senior Inspector Renato G. Monreal II. For the same accomplishment as members of the assaulting team, Medalya ng Kagalingan is conferred to Police Officer 3 Marshal D. Inugidan. And Police Officer 2 Jeffrey D. Benito. For meritorious act displayed as overall ground commander during the implementation of 6 search warrants for violation of RA 9165 and RA 10591 that resulted to the neutralization of Jackie Camilan, the arrest of Muhammad Upam and Bong Labdan on July 21, 2016 in Tacurong City, and the recovery of high-powered firearms. Medalya ng Kagalingan is conferred to Police Superintendent Maximo F. Sebastian Jr. of the Regional Anti-Illegal Drug Special Operations Group, Region 12. For eminently meritorious and valuable services rendered as the case officer which led to the implementation of warrant of arrest against Muhammad Jafar Magid alias Tukboy Magid at Maasim, Sarangani Province on August 20, 2016. Medalya ng Kasanayan is conferred to Police Superintendent Jofel T. Rebodaro of Sarangani Police Provincial Office. For eminently meritorious and invaluable services rendered as Chief of Police who ranked as number 1 among other police stations during this second evaluation of Project Double Barrel covering the period from July 1 to September 1, 2016. The Medalya ng Kasanayan is conferred to the following personnel: Police Superintendent Jofel F. Siason of Sultan Kudarat Police Provincial Office. Police Chief Inspector May Grace B. Likudan of General Santos City Police Office. Police Chief Inspector Lorenzo L. Hinares III of Cotabato City Police Office. Police Chief Inspector Giovanni L. E. Ladeo of South Cotabato Police Provincial Office. Police Chief Inspector Neil S. Wadingan of Sarangani Police Provincial Office. And Police Senior Inspector Felix L. Fornan of Cotabato Police Provincial Office. Again, congratulations to the awardees. A round of applause for them, please. For the introduction of our President, may we call on Secretary Ismael Mike Sueno of the Department of Interior and Local Government.
Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Republic of the Philippines, President Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
Salamat. Secretary Sueno, Governor Mangudadato, Governor Solon, Mayor Rivera, Police Deputy Director General Uyami Jr., Police Chief Superintendent Cedric Rain, the officers and men of the Philippine National Police, the officers and men of the Philippine Army, the Armed Forces, mga kababayan ko. Could anybody give the tikas pahinga order, please? Kaning mga pulis ba, pag tikas pahinga, mas dakog bilangkan kayo sa mga army. Ngano ka? I'd like to make an explanation to the Filipino people. Hindi masyado tayo, trabaho. You know, when I was mayor for 23 years sa Davao, maraming namatay. And I was one of the favorite whipping boy of Dilima about the human rights. Nung kasing na-OIC ako right after the EDSA revolution, nung na-mayor ako, magulo ang Davao. Lahat nandun. And what is really worse at the time, it was a very bad policy, but everybody thought at the time that it was good. Every Filipino or foreigner for that matter would go and say that he is a anti-communist, yung alsama sa binigyan ng mga armas. Arms were freely given to everybody, and when there was a slowing down, kasi sa Davao, alam mo, nagpalayo yung mga komunista. Wala na tayong panahon mag-istorya kung bakit. Ang naproblema ko ang mga